Hello, I'm Simon. Today we're going to show you how to test and replace the flame detector on your LG dryer. If your dryer is not heating, it might be time to inspect or replace this component. Before we get started, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more straightforward appliance repair tutorials. Let's jump right in and get your dryer back to peak performance. With over 2 million products in stock and the know-how to help you to do it yourself, we are AppliancePartsPros.com. For this job, we're going to need a Flatblade screwdriver, a short Phillips screwdriver, a multimeter, a power Phillips screwdriver, and the vacuum cleaner. The flame detector or flame sensor is a part of the gas igniting system of a dryer. It's wired in together with the igniter and both gas valve coils. The flame detector is normally closed. When the igniter gets really hot, the flame detector contacts open, redirecting power to the gas valve coils. The coils open, gas starts flowing through and ignites. A flame detector may go bad in two ways. Its contacts may weld together or burn out. Take out 3 Phillips screws from the back of the dryer's top and slide it out. Turn the dryer on for time dry, normal heat, and dim the room lights. Within a minute, you should see the red light glow under the drum in the front right corner. That's the igniter getting hot. After it gets really hot, the flame detector contacts open and the igniter shuts off. That's normal operation. If there's no glowing, we need to run a flame sensor continuity test. If the igniter glows but constantly stays on, the flame sensor is defective. To test the flame detector for continuity from the control board, unplug the dryer and turn the gas off. Get your multimeter set to continuity and locate the yellow plug YL3 at the PCB. Disconnect the plug and touch meter probes to gray and to black contacts. Those two are outside contacts. If there's continuity, the flame detector is good. No continuity, open circuit, replace the flame detector. To remove the flame detector, we need to tear down the dryer. Don't worry, just watch the video and follow the instructions. Actually, it's not hard at all. Move to the front and pull the water tank drawer on the left and remove the water tank. Using the flatblade screwdriver, press the locking tab up from underneath the drawer and take it out. Using a Phillips screwdriver, remove 2 screws, one on each side of the drawer opening. Move to the right corner and remove 1 more Phillips screws from the back of the control panel. Disconnect control board plugs. Pull on the top and remove the control panel. Open the door and remove 4 Phillips screws, 2 at the top and 2 at the bottom. Next, remove top Phillips screws that hold the front panel. Use a flatblade screwdriver to release the catch on the top right and tilt the front panel for about an inch. Disconnect the white and the pink plugs from the door switch and the light and remove the front panel. Remove 4 Phillips screws from the top of the front bracket and take the bracket away. Get down and disconnect the sensor plug on the right. Next step is to take out 2 Phillips screws on each side, lift up and remove the front bulkhead. I recommend wearing gloves for the next step. Don't get shy, get on your 4 and reach under the drum from both sides. Push up the idler pulley and remove the belt of the motor pulley, pull on the belt and slide the drum out of the cabinet. You may clean the dryer. Using a vacuum cleaner, carefully not to break the igniter, clean the lint out. Get to the rear and clean the duct pipe. Use the flatblade screwdriver to remove 2 wires from the terminals. Then using the short Phillips screwdriver, remove the screw and lift off the old flame detector. This is the old flame detector next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. Install the new flame detector in a slot, lower down the detector and secure it with a Phillips screw. Connect the wires. Don't get lazy, we still need to put it all together so it can be called a dryer again. Place the belt on the drum with the ribs inside. Install the drum inside. Make sure that the rear edge is on the 3 rollers. Place the gloves on and dive under the drum. Loop the belt over the idler pulley Push the other pulley up and install the loop over the motor pulley. Slowly turn the drum one full turn manually to check the belt position. Bring and install the front bulkhead. Make sure all support rollers are under the drum. Lock the front bulkhead into 4 pilot holes on the sides and secure the bulkhead with the 4 Phillips screws. Install the top front bracket. Lock in the side hooks and secure everything with 4 Phillips screws, the longer ones on the sides of the cabinet. Get down and connect the sensor plug on the right. Bring the front panel, install it on the bottom hinges. Tilt it forward, reconnect the white and the pink plugs. Using the flatblade screwdriver, lift the catch on the right upper corner and secure the front panel with 4 Phillips screws. Open the door and install 2 Phillips screws at the bottom and 2 Phillips screws at the top. Install the lint filter. Mount the control panel. Install 2 Phillips screws on the sides of the dispenser drawer opening and 1 more from back in the right corner. Connect all the plugs. Install the top panel, push it forward to lock, and secure with 3 Phillips screws from the back. Install the water tank drawer in. Lift the tab with the flatblade screwdriver and push it in. Place the water tank inside the drawer and slide the drawer in. Plug the dryer in and don't forget to open the gas. Believe it or not, but you just replaced the flame detector on your LG dryer. We would love to hear how your repair went. Share your experience in the comments below. If you need to order a new part, simply grab your dryer's model number and visit AppliancePartsPros.com. You will find that most orders arrive in just a couple of days. Thanks for letting us guide you through this DIY project, and we look forward to helping you with your next repair.